This is a video of how I managed to fit a 1970s style tank badge to a new Bonneville T120. Fits fairly well. Because the pitches are wrong, you'll have to make a bracket with a third tapped hole. Taking off the old one's pretty straightforward. These tank badges are reproduction, probably made in Taiwan, but they're pretty good quality and readily available on the internet. This is the adapter bracket made out of stainless steel. Fits like this, suit the existing tank, and a third hole tapped M5. You'll have to make a neoprene backing washer for the new badge. It fits like this. Now it's finished and fitted. It's all a matter of opinion, I suppose, but I think it looks pretty cool, and it's not difficult to put it back to its original condition if you want to. Thanks for watching.